The Planet Project is an initiative co-funded by the European Commission through the Horizon 2020 Mobility for Growth program. Planet aims to address the challenges of assessing the impact of emerging global trade corridors on the TEN-T network and to ensure effective integration of the European to the global network through the transformation of TEN-T to a physical, internet-enabled, integrated, green EU global transport and logistics network, the EGTN. This Planet concept is supported by the Open EGTN platform, a unified interface to communicate with all of Planet's cloud-based Open EGTN infrastructure components. It is an inclusive and powerful platform designed to meet the particular needs of the transport and logistics industry by implementing a customized, unique combination of cutting-edge technologies to securely share and analyze data while bringing together diverse data sources. The Open EGTN platform dashboard provides access to different internal and external users with control functions, offering a visual front end to all stakeholders. Users will have access to track and trace services for real-time information and visibility regarding containers and pallets, EGTN logistics information and manual about regulatory, network, legal, or environmental topics. The infrastructure observatory of nodes such as warehouse, dry port, or rail facilities. Documents secured by blockchain technology in the form of smart contracts. Physical internet services to check the decision support system for last-mile delivery and route optimization. Forecasts of resources, pallet and container flow, or predictive transport models, as well as other additional services. The Planet platform has been validated in the 3 living labs of the project. Through 2 use cases conducted in Spain, the Living Lab 1 developed and evaluated artificial intelligence algorithms for predictive transport models to quantify future changes in the volume of cargo transported both by sea and inland modes, and for the best port discharge, inland rerouting and routing optimization within the last mile delivery. Internet of Things services for track, trace, and monitor, enabling the end-to-end complete visibility of the supply chain. Blockchain for integrated data sharing from seaport to hinterland. And dynamic simulation models to explore the effect of physical internet and previous technologies at intercontinental freight transportation, urban distribution, and warehouses. The implementation of these technologies resulted in significant improvements, reducing operational and transport costs and CO2 emissions, lowering transaction processes, or reducing the impact of rescheduling. The Living Lab 2 pursues a dynamic and synchro-modal management of TEN-T and intercontinental rail freight flows, using the Port of Rotterdam as the principal smart EGTN node. The main development of Use Case 1 was the multimodal blockchain-based supply chain system to unify multiple back-end blockchain systems, provide smart contracts between different stakeholders, and manage and share all shipment documentation, sharing real-time updates on shipment logistic progress. Use Case 2 set up an intercontinental collaborative platform with key railway stakeholders for harmonization and regulatory improvements, and also investigated the opportunities to ship green hydrogen by rail on the new Silk Road and Eurasian rail freight expansion through the implementation of a digital platform for improved document exchanges. Finally, Use Case 3 analyzed the impacts of Eurasian rail freight expansion on Rhine-Alps area, finding limited infrastructure impacts. the emergence of more rail principal entry points in Europe, and the potential for a route corridor to be greener. The Living Lab 3 aims to streamline rail logistic processes along the new Silk Road route by facilitating the transmission of data between the partners involved in the e-commerce operations. The use of sensor networks, EPKIS platform, and GS1 standards made it possible to monitor the entire rail flow and all the way to the final destination of the distribution centers. As a result, these solutions improved cooperation within actors, simplified the real-time data flow in a standardized way, and enabled the logistics operator to increase its efficiency and customer satisfaction, reduce shipment handling time, and last-mile greenhouse gas emissions. The EGTN platform and the results of the different technologies applied and validated throughout the Living Labs have demonstrated that Planet is generating valuable insights and solutions that will improve the efficiency, sustainability, and resilience of the supply chain. Get ready to explore the future of transportation with Planet Project and its EGTN platform, a green, globally connected, and smart network that is at the forefront of transportation innovation.